around San Antonio. That's where my baby's from. Prettiest girl.
Folks, Weldon Henson here. Big announcement, March 18th, 2023. Bringing Texas-made honky-tonk down to the Bumgardner Ranch Truck Sessions Festival 2023. That's right, Texas-made honky-tonk. Making its way down to Brazil. Can't wait to get down there. March 18th, 2023. We'll see you.
Honky-tonk while Ernest Tubb was playing that waltz. It didn't take long for her to figure out that a Texas man is what it's about. They got together, so I guess you could say I am Texas made.